Hello everyone. I'm going to introduce myself. I'm Reverend Rutesire, one of the moderators we have on this MOOC. So our task for this week is to introduce the course on Google Apps. Now I'm going to show you where we can get the Google Apps here. Once you have logged in your Gmail account, you'll be in front of this kind of this page. So you will have this button where you have the Google applications. You click on it. You will get, for example, many applications here. We have some here, like there are 7 now, but you have another button for more applications. But now I want to introduce you to the Google Drive. You will click on Drive here and you will get this page. In this page, it's like a flash disk, but it is online, a cloud USB you have. So in the Drive, we have My Drive, where I have to store my documents here. For example, I have this one, this spreadsheet, and I have many files inside. At the left pane, you can see my Drive computer. Once I click here, I will get into my computer, and I can click on the shared with me. Those are files shared with me, and you will see that I have the files which are shared by our facilitator, Dr. Nelly, and I have also the recent one. The recent ones I have clicked on recently, and so on until you get the bins. So in My Drive, once you click on My Drive, you will get a new folder. You can upload some files, you can upload some folders, or you can use the Google Docs. This is a kind of Microsoft Office. This is a kind of Microsoft Word Docs, and this is a kind of Excel sheet, and this is a kind of PowerPoint presentation. And we have more. In more, we have some forms, Google Drawings for drawings, and so on and so on. But now, if for example I want to upload a file in Google Drive, I will click on this one, and I will go into my my laptop so that I can get a file to upload. For example, let me choose this one about determinants of stunting in children under 5 in Rwanda. So I have to open this file, and until we get the green symbol here, it means that I have uploaded my new file in Google Drive. So here I can upload a folder. Once I click on it, I will select a folder. For example, dissertation. Here we have a fresh report for our college, and those are documents, for example, for this MOOC. I upload that one, and I have in that folder I have 4 files. Now we have 2 files and the 3 files completed, and 4 files completed until we get this one. So once I want to use the Google Docs, I can click on the blank document or from a template. From a template here, this is an online template we have. We have many templates here. The recent used the CVs, the template for CVs, template for datas, template for persona, and so on and so on. And we have some templates for education. You see, there are many. So once, for example, I want to use the Google Sheet, here we have a blank one, which will be like an Excel sheet, say an Excel spreadsheet, and we have some cells inside. You can also use some formulas, for example. Once you have this one, suppose you want to this is 1, this is 2, and here, suppose you want to perform some calculations, you can take this one plus this cell, and you see that we have 3. So we can also use the Google Slides as a presentation. I can have a blank presentation template, or I can use some templates we have. So this is for the lesson plan. This is for the lesson plan. You see that there are many, and I have to edit only. So I can also use, once I want to perform a survey or get a feedback from my class, I can use the Google Forms. Google Forms here, I can use the template, or I can use the blank one. In the blank one, you have, this is a form. This is a form, and we have the title of the form, and we have to save the form using this filling here. For example, this is the feedback questionnaire, for example. And once I want to save on the same name, I will select this one, the title, and I click on this button, for example. Automatically you will see this one, and I can fill with questions. To fill with the questions, you have to click here. You add a new question. For example, the question 1 can be names, if you want students to provide their names. If not, you will skip this one. So here for names, those are short answers, and if it is required, you have to click here. So we have another question. Please provide some comments on the today lesson. Now you want some comments. It's a kind of a paragraph, you see there. It's not required because some students do not want to provide their comments. And after that, you have to send to your student. Sending this form to your student here, you can use a link. You can use an email, a link. Once you want to use a link here, you click on this one, and once you want to shorten that link, it will be that one, and we will copy this one, and you will go to your email account. You will compose, and you will paste. You will paste this link. We have to highlight this one in Google, and I have to write the email of my students or student I have, and I have to send as we do in Gmail. Thank you very much and enjoy this video.